Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color on your charts on the MetaTrader 5 application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaTrader 5 application on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account, you can click on the File option and then click on Log into your account option. After entering your credentials and logging into your account, you will see various different charts. Now, if you wish to change the background color of any chart, just right-click on this chart and then click on Properties. Now, within the Properties section, you will find Colors, which you can click on, and then you will see the background option. Just click on the drop-down menu and then choose whichever color you wish to be shown within your background and then click on the OK button. And now your background color will be changed right away. You can come back to this menu as many times as you wish and change your background color based on your requirement. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your background color within MetaTrader 5. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.